Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Xender primarily uses Wi-Fi Direct for the fastest transfers between phones. Do not expect Bluetooth speeds or wide compatibility for large files. You can still enable Bluetooth to pair devices and speed initial discovery. Install Xender from your App Store and open the app on both phones. Grant permissions for storage, location, and nearby devices when prompted. If Wi-Fi Direct fails, use the app's hotspot fallback, or use the phone's native Bluetooth share method instead. First, install Xender on both phones from Google Play or the App Store. Open Xender on each device and tap the large Send or Receive buttons. Turn on Bluetooth in System Settings and pair the devices if pairing is required. Also enable Wi-Fi and location services to allow Wi-Fi Direct discovery. Grant storage permission so Xender can access files. Keep both screens unlocked and stay within about 3 meters for reliable discovery and pairing during the setup process. On the sending phone, choose Send and pick the files you want to transfer. On the receiving phone, choose Receive so Xender can search via Wi-Fi Direct or hotspot. If Xender creates a hotspot, connect the receiving phone to that hotspot to start the transfer. If Xender fails to make a Wi-Fi connection, open the file, choose Share, then select Bluetooth to use the system Bluetooth share. Watch progress on both phones and accept any incoming prompts to complete the transfer successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.